Hey everyone, my name is Aryan Shukla. Today we are diving deep into the complex relationship between industrialization, globalization, and ethical business practices. These forces have shaped our world, but they have also created significant challenges. Let's explore how they have impacted our planet and what we can do to make things better.
The Industrial Revolution, a double edged sword. The Industrial Revolution was a turning point in human history. It brought us incredible technological advancements and economic growth, but it also came at a cost. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and pollution caused significant environmental damage. Climate change is a direct result of these unsustainable practices. While the Industrial Revolution led to increased productivity and improved living standards for many, it also exacerbated social inequalities. The shift from rural to urban areas created new challenges such as overcrowding, pollution, and child labor. Globalization, a connected world. Globalization has interconnected the world, allowing for exchange of goods, services, and ideas. While it's brought many benefits, it's also highlighted the need for responsible business practices. Supply chains are now global, making it essential for companies to ensure ethical and sustainable practices throughout their operations. One of the major advantages of globalization is the increased competition it has fostered. This can lead to lower prices for consumers and encourage innovation. However, it can also lead to a race to the bottom in terms of labor standards and environmental protection. Ethical and sustainable business practices. The importance of ethical and sustainable business practices has never been greater. Companies are being held accountable for their social and environmental impact. Consumers are becoming more aware and demanding products from companies that prioritize sustainability. Ethical business practices involve treating all stakeholders fairly, including employees, customers, suppliers, and the community. This means ensuring fair wages, safe working conditions, and responsible sourcing of materials. Sustainable business practices focus on minimizing the environmental impact of a company's operations, such as reducing waste, conserving energy, and protecting biodiversity. Let's take a long look at two countries, Japan and Russia, and compare their approaches to ethics and sustainability. Japan has a strong focus on environmental protection and corporate social responsibility. They prioritize a wide range of stakeholders, including employees. Japanese companies often have a long term perspective and are more likely to invest in sustainable practices. Russia, on the other hand, has faced challenges in balancing economic development with environmental protection. However, there's a growing movement towards more sustainable practices, particularly in the energy sector. Russian companies are increasingly recognizing the importance of environmental stewardship and the potential for sustainable economic growth. Japan and Russia, despite their proximity, have different cultural, historical, and economic perspectives on ethics and sustainability. Japan's Confucian values emphasize harmony, collectivism, honesty, continuous improvement, and hospitality, promoting a sustainable approach. Russia's Orthodox influence values spirituality, compassion, and hospitality, but its reliance on natural resources and environmental challenges pose sustainability hurdles. Russia is now prioritizing sustainable development to address these issues. Recommendations. To create a more sustainable future, we need to strengthen environmental policies and regulations, encourage companies to adopt ethical and sustainable practices, empower consumers to make informed choices, promote global cooperation on environmental issues, raise awareness about environmental and ethical issues. Key takeaways. The Industrial Revolution had both positive and negative impacts. Globalization has increased the importance of responsible business practices. Ethical and sustainable business practices are essential for a healthy planet. Japan and Russia have different approaches to ethics and sustainability.
Conclusion. The interconnectedness of industrialization and globalization has created both opportunities and challenges. It's up to us to ensure that we prioritize ethical and sustainable practices to build a better future for ourselves and generations to come.